Here are the steps for installing your KC100 tablet. Note: please completely power off the sauna by unplugging the power cord from the dedicated circuit wall outlet, or turn the dedicated circuit breaker for the sauna off prior to completing the below instructions. Unmount the tablet by pulling the top and bottom straight out towards you, or you can use the orange tablet removal tool to pry an edge of the tablet out towards you. Continue pulling until the tablet is completely unmounted from the brackets in the front wall cavity. Disconnect the multicolored wire ribbon clip connector from the back of the tablet. Disconnect the USB cord from the back of the tablet. The tablet is now untethered from the front wall, completely. Please carefully set aside on the bench while you complete the rest of the steps. Pick up the tablet and reconnect the multicolored wire ribbon clip connector to the back of the tablet. Reconnect the USB cable to the USB port at the end of the wire labeled USB. Note: there is a second USB port wire connected to the tablet that will remain unused and empty. Check that the wiring in the front wall cavity is tucked inside the wall. Remount the tablet back into the front wall cavity by aligning the four corners to match the white brackets inset at the corners in the front wall cavity. Once lined up, press the tablet flat onto the wall and you will feel it click flush into place. Please plug the sauna back in or turn the breaker back on. Enjoy your sauna session.